Hello, YouTube. It's your boy, the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Like I always say, scam money don't make no money, and you always gotta risk it to get the biscuit. I don't know if I have to tell you this, but I'm not a financial trader, so don't take my advice. You're gonna go broke. I'm back again with Robinhood. Another video of Robinhood. Robinhood is at $80 right now. Why should I be making a video about Robinhood every day, every time, reminding you about how great this company is? I've always said this company is a super app. It's gonna come after everything when it comes to the financial grounds. There's nothing that this company is not going to stop coming after. It's going to come after your debit card, your credit card, your banking. They're already doing all that. I'm not the one who's just saying it. Investing crypto. This is a financial mega, a financial megatron. That's what it is. It's crazy. It's the transformer of finances. This is the reason why retail traders are involved in options trading and crypto trading. This is the reason why this company is the reason why. So I don't know why people give it a lot of criticisms. Of course, it's not a perfect company. Show me one company that's perfect. Google has been sued all over Europe for whatever. Amazon has been sued all over the United States for whatever. Name a company, and I'll show you a lawsuit. So it's not a perfect company, but this is a disruptor. This is a big disruptor. This is a transformative company, and it's coming after everybody in the financial industry. So if you're bashing this company, then you don't know what you're looking at. I do know what I'm looking at, and I love it. I love Robinhood so much. And just yesterday, they unveiled a lot of new, let me say, new products that they are going to have in the market, which are some very interesting products, especially for Robinhood being a retail trader's best friend. Some of the product that they kind of introduce is not retail trader friendly. So listen to me. The retail trader is the person, some of it's us who don't have the financial power to do certain things. And I think what they intro one of the main that was one of the main highlight of what they introduced yesterday wasn't retail trader friendly. But why is it good for the company? Because hold on a minute, and I'll explain it to you. But before that, let me just go through my portfolio real quick. Like I always say, I have 260 shares. I'm trotting up to 500 shares. I need 240 more shares to get to my goal. My average cost is $32. You can see that when I bought this company, a lot of you were bashing it. So, and I've done pretty well, 146%. At the point, it was at about 200 or 300%. But I don't care because I know this company is going to go back up. This is a $200 company. Whether you like it or not, it's a $200 company, and I'm going to hold it till it gets to $200. And when it gets there, when I start selling, I don't want to hear BS from anybody because I was in at $30. Okay, so I'll sell and take some profit when it gets to where I want it to get. As always, I buy a daily. I buy a daily on the market for $20 every day. So every day I'm buying Robinhood. So this is just um, my disclaimer. I actually own the shares and I buy daily, so you don't have to go buy if you don't want it. This is just me doing a video and tracking my profits. Okay. What is the latest news that they have on here? I'll see. um this is a quick one. As of March 4th, that was yesterday, 2026, Robinhood shares are surging following the take flight. Yeah, the video that is shared and how they intro it, it's called a take flight. It's actually pretty nice. You can watch it on the Robinhood app. It's also on YouTube and everywhere. So and on Twitter, you can X, as people say. I always say Twitter. I'm old school. You can watch it on there. And where the company announced a new premium platinum credit card aimed at high income customers. So you can see this is no retail, trader friendly, or this is not retail customer friendly. It's actually aimed at high income customers with new portfolio oversight tools and earlier access to dividends. The stock is significantly driven by these revenue streams and crypto marketing. So I'll show you the new product. The new product that was launched was a credit card. Okay, launched in $695 annual fee platinum credit card targeting affluent users to boost wallet share. So they launched a credit card. I think they're coming for Amex and all this big, especially for their people who love to travel. It's more like a travel and a lifestyle credit card, and the annual fee is $695. I don't know about you, but I don't travel that much, so I'm not paying any $695 or $795 or $895 like the other uh, credit cards are paying for their platinum, or how do you call it, Amex Platinum too, right? I think Amex Platinum, American Express Platinum, or the Black Card. There's a lot of fees. All my credit cards are zero annual fees. I know it doesn't come with all the benefits that this one's come with, but it works for me. Like I'm not as rich as they are. So they launched a $695 annual fee platinum credit card targeting affluent users to boost wallet share. So the platinum credit card, actually they say the credit card is coded in platinum. Well, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty fancy touch. And if I'm paying $695 for annual fee for a credit card, I want to come coded in platinum or freaking gold. Okay, it's a lot of money. And so this is not actually meant for the retail traders. This is more like affluent people who have money. And I don't think someone explained it better. They were like, oh, they are just trying to get. They already have the retail traders now, so they are trying to get the affluent people to bring their portfolios from other portfolios into Robinhood, which kind of makes sense. And when you look at some of the benefits, I'm not going to go through it, but some of the benefits on the credit card, I believe they have about $3 to $6,000 worth of benefits a year on the credit card. $200 worth of hotel, $250 worth a year worth of hotel, rebates, DoorDash rebates, about $300. I don't want to go through all that. You go look for it and go through it. I have done that already. I'm not gonna apply for this credit card, so I don't. There's no point in doing the. Maybe I would when I change my mind in doing the benefits that comes with the $695 a year, but this is a significant amount, and they're going to get $695. It's as another you know path to revenue. They already have their gold card, where there's 2 million people on the wait list. 2 million people on the wait list for. I'm on the wait list for the gold card. I don't know why it's not in yet, but hey, whatever it is, whatever they want to do, there's 2 million people on the wait list of the gold card. Even though they don't have an annual fee, it's free. It's still a credit card which charges interest rates on it. So it might be another great source of revenue if they are able to issue 2 million, even just half of it, 1 million credit cards. Okay. um, Introducing a portfolio overviews to track outside brokerage accounts and enabling customers to receive dividends up to a month early. They want customers to receive dividends up to a month early, which is pretty good. The company is advancing in its financial super app, and now a lot of people are calling it that. It's a financial super app strategy, including advisor networks, AI tools, following a strong 2025 where revenue increased 52%. In 2025, your revenue increased 52%. Is it going to continue to increase in 2026? I personally believe so, with all these other revenues and avenues of making money coming through, prediction markets, crypto, options, trading stock, everything that they have. I've already done their revenue streams. You can go back to other some of my old videos and watch it. Stock performance, shares saw due to no. I don't want to read that. Market position, despite recent gains, the stock has experienced volatility, which is true. We all know that it's regular. There's volatility in the market on almost every stock, which is cool. Um, for those who like analyst ratings, I'm just going to be quick on the analyst rating. So most analysts, the consensus rating is moderate buy or strong buys. That's in between moderate buy or strong buy. Maybe there's some sell out there. I don't know. So average target price is 112 to 130. As of now, the stock is $80 a pop, and the average target price is 112 to 130. So let's take the low side, which is 112. We are already missing $32 on the stock. So every stock is like a $32 profit on this. That's why I keep buying. Roughly 17 to 24 analysts covering, with a heavy majority 14 to 17 advising the buy. I really don't care about analysts, because when I was buying this stock at $10, $12, all the analysts were just bashing it, and now that it's all the way up, they are now saying it's a buy. I'm my own analyst. I do the research. I do whatever I want, and then when I want to risk some money, I risk some my money. And to me personally, I'll tell you why I buy individual stocks. And I'll make a video about people. I don't believe in people buying SCHD. If you have $10,000, don't go and buy SCHD. SCHD, it's a great ETF, but I'll break it down later. It's a great ETF, but I don't think it's good enough risk for you to put in $10,000. I'd rather put all my $10,000 in Robinhood and ride it all the way to the top. And when I get the profit, I'll put the profit in SCHD. We'll talk about that later, but this is just a quick one to let you know that Robinhood is one of my go-to. And if it decides to, if all this war, this Iranian war decides to affect their stock market, and this stock really drops all the way to my sweet spot of somewhere around 60s, or better still, if it goes back to his IPO of 30 or 38, oh my God, this will be so amazing, because I would sell everything and put it in Robinhood, because I believe it's going to do that pretty well. Um, but for now, I think it's going to do great, and I think the market is going to do great. I'm looking forward to the end of the year for this, this particular stock, because I personally believe it's an amazing stock. I'll share this real details with you real quick. Again, it's $74 billion market cap, which is pretty nice and easy. P ratio 37, which is not that really bad. Even the S&P is, I think, somewhere in S&P 500, somewhere in the 30s, $30, 28 or 20, from 28 to 30. So this is not really bad. 37 is really, really nice. If you look at Palantir's PE ratio is around 300 and something, which, I personally believe is a little excessive. So that's why I started selling the stock. But 37, I like it. I like it at that spot, and I'll continue to buy it. And I think the revenue is going to grow and keep growing. Anyways, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe and peace.